Hey guys, it's Fossy Hair Chick and welcome back to my channel. So I've been having this protective style for about 2 weeks, and now today we are going to undo it and try this new product from Shea Solution. Well, I'm using the deep conditioner slash car wash today because my hair doesn't have a lot of buildup, and I did not detangle or do anything because the products say that it cleanses, detangles and treats your hair. That is amazing. So as you can see, I am trying to comb through and see if it really works, and for me, man, this product is everything. I did not detangle my hair, and here like I'm just combing my hair and it's just the comb's just going through. Well, that is amazing. I'm going to cover for like 20 minutes and then I rinse, and then the next morning I'm going to do it. So here George the Loctician is helping you to like section my hair for the flat twist that I'm gonna do, and then he's going to help me do the twist out. I'm using the Curl Stretch Cream from Shea Solution, and then I'm going to use the light finishing oil to seal in the moisture. Well, if you'd like to see how the hairstyle turns out, please keep watching to the end. And if you want to see how George the Loctician did my twist out, please keep watching. Also, this product is available at Ethnic Shop at Surrey Center. If you'd like to get yours, please go check them out. I will also leave their information down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you all on my next video. Bye.